Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. April here, and have you ever wanted the swipe up feature on Instagram? Are you dying to send your audience to other platforms like your Facebook group, your Twitter page, or even your website, but there's just too many links and not enough space in your bio? Today I'm going to show you how to leverage IGTV to get the swipe up feature so you can send your audience anywhere you please. Stay tuned. Hey guys, April here, and I post 2 videos a week on marketing, different software, and amazing remote opportunities to work from home. Today we're going to talk about Instagram and how to leverage IGTV so no matter how many followers you have, you can get the swipe up feature. I'm going to go over the different steps and give you a tutorial as well, and I'm so excited. If you like this kind of content, let me know by commenting below, letting me know if you tried this hack, what your thought was, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button so I know to continuously create content just like this. Alrighty, let's get started. So what is the Instagram swipe up feature? This is an amazing feature, but is only available right now for anyone who has over 10,000 followers. It allows them to send their audience to different external websites, like their website or YouTube channel. Now, that's great if they want to add more subscribers or get more traffic to their website, because Instagram only allows one external link in your actual bio. Now, if you don't have 10,000 followers, that's really the downside of the swipe up feature. You can't use it. Until now. With this hack, you're gonna actually be able to create external links and start sending your audience to different places. Shameless plug, go follow me on Instagram, but I'm going to be using this feature to actually send my audience to my YouTube channel so they can get more information for work at home opportunities and hacks just like this. Now, I don't have 10K followers, so the only way for me to normally do this is to utilize that one area in my bio, which is where I actually have my website. So that's why this hack is so important for anyone who has any followers under 10K. Alright, you guys, let's jump into the steps. So the first step is creating a 60-second minimum video, just like I did here. Hey guys, it's April here, and I have a brand new video coming straight to you all about Instagram and a brand new hack. So if you have less than 10K followers, where you can learn how to get the swipe up feature. Now, I'm super excited for you guys to check this out. All you have to do is check it out right here and let me know in the comments or send me a DM on what you think about this kind of video. I'm so excited for you guys to see this, and definitely remember, just all you have to do is click it right up here. Now, I hope you guys are having an amazing week, and I hope you guys enjoy the video, and I cannot wait to hear your guys' opinions on it and see if you guys are going to be using this feature just as much as I am. Alright, I hope you guys have an amazing day, and I will check you guys out next time in my next video. Don't forget to hit subscribe and the like button if you like that kind of content. Alright, see you guys later, and remember, all you have to do is click this link right up here. Now, you want to make sure that you're not only pointing to the right, but you're also having a call to action. For me, click here to watch my new video. Now, if you don't want to create a video of yourself, you can always use softwares like iMovie or Filmora to create a video out of a static photo. Now remember, you want to make sure it's at least 60 seconds long. Alright, you guys, so the next step is uploading your 60-second minimum video up to IGTV. And then next you're going to pick a cover image. Then you want to make sure you have a call to action in your title. For me, in this case, I'm going to be putting in click here to check out my new video. In the description, you want to actually put the link you want to send your audience to. For me, example, I'm using Marketer's Magic's Mini-Me deep link, which is going to send people to my actual YouTube channel. Now, if you're interested in learning more about deep links and marketer magic, all you have to do is check out the video over here. Alrighty, you guys, and the last step is you are going to post to your story just as normal. So if you want to take a cute selfie like I did here, or if you want to upload a photo from your camera roll, then you're going to click on the link and then you're going to be able to add your IGTV story link as a swipe up link. And that's it. Now, I know this is extra steps and way more than normal, but it's still a great feature to have to start sending your audience to other platforms out there, especially if you want to grow your YouTube channel, your Facebook group, or drive traffic to your website. And this is what's going to look like at the end of all of this. You're going to be able to see the photo and then see the swipe up to video, and then they'll be able to go to your IGTV, watch the video, and then click on the link of wherever you're sending them. Now remember, Instagram pushes video and IGTV, so this is not only a great way to get your audience to different platforms out there, but also to promote your Instagram and keep up with the algorithm. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and let me know in the comments below if you tracked out this hack and what you think of it. I can't wait to see you guys next time, and if you guys want to join my stay-at-home profit family, all you have to do is head over to the description and check out my Facebook group. I hope to see you there, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!